Welcome to the IVM Podcast Network.
TFG Fantasy Cricket is an IVM production, and you can also check out their other awesome shows like the Rediscovery Podcast, where Ambika and Hoshner looks back at their travel experience and journey across India.
You're listening to TFG Fantasy Cricket.
Hey guys, welcome to a new episode of TFG Fantasy Cricket Podcast. My name is Nikhil and I have Vivek Krishnan with me in the studio. The Indian cricket team has shifted continents. They have gone to West Indies. It's the first test match between India and West Indies, and we are here.
One day.
Oh, sorry, one day. And we are here to do the Fantasy 11 for India versus West Indies as well as England versus South Africa. So start karte India versus West Indies ke saath. The article is already, the team is already up on our website, thefangarage.com. अभी
कल शाम में अप हो गया था दोनों टीम्स एंड अभी तक तो वी हैव गॉट नो क्वेश्चंस सो आई प्रेज्यूम पीपल आर रीजनेबली हैप्पी सैटिस्फाइड विद द टीम.
आई एम नॉट.
इसीलिए तुम्हें शो करना है. बोलो अभी.
Where is Ashwin? ना तुम्हारे probable 11 में है, ना तुम्हारे fantasy 11 में है. The question is last time India when they toured.
अगर मैं जवाब दूं तब आप एक और क्वेश्चन पूछो ना. आप ही सब फिनिश कर दोगे तो लोगों को मजा नहीं आएगा. तो तुम्हारा सवाल ये है कि अश्विन क्यों नहीं है. अब मेरा जवाब सुनो. तो जवाब ये है कि बहुत ही इज गोइंग थ्रू अ वेरी पुअर रन. पिक्ड अप ओनली 1 wicket in the Champions Trophy. He also has been giving away a lot of runs. I understand the wickets in the West Indies will aid his bowling, and the West Indian batsmen are not very experienced to negotiate good spin bowling. Having said all that, I think Kuldeep Yadav is in the team for a genuine reason, and if you take him to the West Indies for the entire series, and if you don't play him, I think you're not doing him a great favor. Rahul Dravid has already come out and he's expressed his concern as to how these youngsters are future, they don't get enough opportunity. Yes, he spoke in depth about Yuvraj and Dhoni, but when it comes to bowling, also we need to take a harsh call sometime. Ravindra Jadeja, I still feel, will get the nod ahead of Ashwin for a variety of reasons. Fielding, arguably the best in the Indian team, one of the very best in the world. Number 2, he's also very useful with the bat. And in the last 10 or 15 or even 20 ODIs, if you see, in comparison with Ashwin, he has got a lot of wickets. One more reason behind not picking Ashwin is last 10 ODIs, 9 wickets. Now, people might say Champions Trophy. No, he played against England, he played against New Zealand, all that was here in India itself. Despite that, he didn't get too many wickets. So, although I don't doubt his quality or credentials, here I just feel he might not be given an opportunity. Funny things have happened. Virat Kohli came out in strong support after the finals against Pakistan, and he said, this is how the game has evolved. This is how the spinners are getting tonked frequently. I'm not very comfortable, Nikhil. Okay. Now I'm waiting for your explanation.
नहीं. Then your point of कि कुलदीप यादव को हम लेके जा रहे हैं और उसको नहीं खिलाएगा तो BCCI is not doing enough for the youngsters. But that has been the case.
That has been the case, yes.
हम youngsters को लेके जाते हो पूरा सीरीज नहीं खिलाते.
हाँ, और ये तो कब से चल रहा है.
Listen, plus अनिल कुंबले अभी नहीं है. Okay? तो विराट will go with Ashwin. He has been backing him.
Okay, so I just feel विराट उल्टा लगता है मेरे को. Anil Kumble was the one strongly supporting Ashwin and Jadeja. Jadeja never had any threat from anybody.
I'm not saying anything about Jadeja. Jadeja will play.
No. What I'm trying to say is Anil Kumble backed Ashwin and he spent a lot of time with him. Virat Kohli, although he spoke good about this guy, I just feel, I could be wrong, but Kuldeep Yadav could get his chance today. And even if Ashwin plays, I really don't expect him to do very well. ऐसा मुझे लगता है.
Okay.
And if I pick Ashwin, I need to let go one bowler, Nikhil. I'm not prepared to do that. I don't want to leave out a Hardik Pandya or a Jadeja or even a Bhuvneshwar Kumar. The reason I've gone, so now you'll ask me why Umesh Yadav? Simply because it was foolish to drop him in the first place, and we paid a price for it. I think wobbly opening from opening batting from West Indies. Good question. So शमी से पहले मुझे लगता है उमेश
क्यों मालूम है क्या? You know why I'm asking this questions is because I just gone through the last tour that India did to West Indies. शमी, अश्विन ने तो सेंचुरीज मारे वहाँ पे. बिल्कुल. They were the pick of the bowlers.
But I think that was test match you're talking about.
Yeah, test match I'm talking about.
Yeah. So see, it's a different format, and अभी तो almost 7-8 months बीत चुके हैं वो tour को. So you actually don't go by the past results or the past performance on any particular tour. But because this is more like a giving opportunity to the youngsters, and I think let's also not be surprised if we go with 4 fast bowlers and Kedar Jadhav as a part-time contributor, क्योंकि अच्छा बॉल डालता है या बुरा बॉल डालता है विकेट तो उसको जरूर मिल जाता है.
Yeah.
So he could bowl 5 overs and 10 could come from Jadeja and 8 from Pandya and 3 from from Bhuvi, Umesh and one more pacer. So that's how I see things going.
Oh my
So
God.
I'm very convinced कि मेरे को
स्ट्रेट अवे वेस्ट इंडीज को आउट ही कर दिया.
देखो सच बात बोलूं ना, अगर पंत
अपने वनडेज खेला था ना.
अब नहीं, we didn't play one day.
डायरेक्ट T20s in America.
T20s in America, but that again was one crazy innings from Evan Lewis.
Yeah.
But पास्ट का बात किसको याद रहता है यार.
Okay, ठीक है.
लेकिन सिचुएशन में आपको बता दूं, this team, even if you take the second string Indian team to the West Indies, India will smash West Indies 5-0. I'm absolutely convinced. अफगानिस्तान के साथ ये टीम टिक नहीं पाई यार. मतलब मैं मजाक नहीं उड़ा रहा हूँ. I like West Indies, लेकिन ये सच बात है.
Yeah, good for them. They got the test recognition.
Oh, I'm so happy. अफगानिस्तान
Ireland.
Finally मेरी आवाज दुबई तक या फिर लंदन तक पहुंची गई.
But I don't know यार. Was it that? I know test का ये मिलना बहुत ज़्यादा important है. But the money is in T20 and the crowd is in T20.
मैं मानता हूँ, लेकिन you know what, even if you have to be a successful T20 or ODI playing nation, the basics has to come from test matches, Nikhil. Okay. The more you ask people to play test matches, as they say, the funny part is तुम T20 खेल के टेस्ट नहीं खेल सकते, तुम टेस्ट खेल के T20 खेल सकते हो.
Yeah.
So it is that logic, and fantastic for Ireland and Afghanistan. They have been shouting, literally banging the ICC's door, pleading, and they have given them the opportunity. Very excited for these two teams, and we will see more of them now that they are a full-time member. We will see more T20s, ODIs, bilateral, tri-series, जो भी है.
Okay.
Yes.
So let me go through this team that we have created for.
In fact, मेरे को एक ODI series देखना है between Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Afghanistan and West Indies. श्रीलंकन फैंस विल बी एंग्री, कैसे हमको उधर डाल दिया. आप देखो टीम की समस्या देखो. मजा आएगा.
लेट्स गो बैक टू TFG Pandit 11.
Yes.
We start with Hope as a wicket keeper.
Yes.
अजिंक्य रहाणे.
अभी होप क्यों करके लोग पूछेंगे, धोनी क्यों नहीं पूछेंगे. मैंने क्लियर कट लिखा है क्यों, स्टैट्स भी मेंशन किया है. फिर भी अगर आपको शंका हो तो चलो ठीक है.
अजिंक्य रहाणे, शिखर धवन, विराट कोहली.
रहाणे हैज बीन ऑफिशियली डिक्लेयर्ड एज द ओपनर,
क्योंकि रोहित नहीं है.
Okay. तो किसी ने सोचा रहेगा शायद ऋषभ पंत, मैंने भी सोचा था, लेकिन मैंने पढ़ लिया विराट कोहली का प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस. ही सेड अजिंक्य विल ओपन विथ शिखर. सो प्लीज डोंट आस्क अस विल ऋषभ पंत प्ले और नॉट. आप विराट कोहली को ट्वीट कर लो.
ओके. शिखर धवन एज वाइस कैप्टन, विराट कोहली एज कैप्टन.
इसमें कोई दो राय नहीं है. आप ही बताओ. सोचो, अगर रोहित होता तो रोहित को भी शायद ले लेते. तो
इन ऑलराउंडर्स कैटेगरी वी हैव रविंद्र जडेजा, हार्दिक पांड्या, Roston Chase.
Yes, Roston Chase was the pick of the cricketer when India toured West Indies in that, I think last June, July. This was again test matches. Let me also tell you, he didn't do too well in his debut series against Afghanistan. But I just feel he brings in more stability at number 5, number 6 with the bat, and he's going to be their second spinner. बिशु नहीं खेलेगा. एशली नर्स जो हर मैच में 2-3 विकेट ले रहा है वो खेलेगा. इंडिया के साथ 2-3 लेगा क्या, मुझे नहीं लगता. इंडिया द चैंपियन प्लेयर्स ऑफ स्पिन बॉलिंग यार.
ऐसा क्या?
हाँ, of course.
Alzarri Joseph, Bhuvneshwar Kumar, Umesh Yadav.
Yeah, Shannon Gabriel is not fit for this match, and Alzarri Joseph has been bowling extremely well, so we pick him. आप पूछोगे why not Jason Holder? आप अगर genuine क्रिकेट फॉलो करते हो ना तो एक काम करना मेरे लिए, और अगर मैं गलत हूँ ना तो आप प्लीज लिख के बताना. Go through Jason Holder's ODI stats against good quality teams and tell me, does he deserve a place in any fantasy cricket team? I repeat, good teams, ODI cricket. Numbers देखो, फिर मुझसे बात करो, और उसके पास जो बजट है वो भी देखो आप. ये सब
he must be priced.
See, Nikhil, people don't understand. So, for example,
but
our
he is
team,
a good pick in test matches.
Yes, he is a fantastic pick in test matches. अभी Michael Rippon, Roloff van der Merwe, सिकंदर रजा, शॉन विलियम्स, इतने सारे खिलाड़ी थे. लोग पूछ रहे हैं कि क्यों नहीं सिकंदर रजा. अभी मैं विलियम्स के आगे नहीं ले सकता. रोलोफ वैन डर मर्वे बैटिंग करता है, बॉलिंग करता है. माइकल रिपन के बारे में मैं लोगों को क्या बताऊं. अगर आप सडनली एक सीरीज खेलते हो नेदरलैंड्स का, पिछले 2 साल नहीं खेले, तो आपको ये देखना भी चाहिए. हम किसी को लेते हैं, देयर इज अ रीजन, देयर इज अ लॉजिक बिहाइंड व्हाई वी पिक वन एंड व्हाई वी ओमिट द अदर.
माइबर्ग को क्यों छोड़ा?
See, when we pick Myberg, he doesn't score. When we pick Chatara and Mpofu, they go wicketless. This is unbelievable. This is almost like a Moeen Ali cheating us. We pick Moeen Ali को bowling भी नहीं आएगा. So these things happen in fantasy cricket. I said Alex Hales को captain बनाएंगे, AB de Villiers को vice captain बनाएंगे. वो click हो गया. I said Morris will not play, Plunkett will not play. It was so difficult to make that team, Nikhil, and I take immense pride कि अपने सारे 11 खेल गए.
Yeah.
It was not easy to say कि कौन खेलेगा. आज के इसमें भी बड़ा we have to talk about England also now.
Yeah.
Shit,
getting on to that.
हाँ, चलो.
So England versus South Africa, second T20, right?
Hey, India finish ही नहीं किया यार.
खत्म हो गया.
Bowling lineup, West Indies के 4 cricketers.
हाँ हो गया. Joseph Alzarri, Bhuvneshwar Kumar,
Alzarri Joseph, Shai Hope आ गया, Roston Chase आ गया, and चौथा कौन है?
Evan Lewis.
हाँ, Evan Lewis. Yes, that's it.
Yeah.
That's
so
it.
हो गया.
Yes, please.
Okay.
We expect the conditions to be slow, sluggish.
किधर है? Trinidad में?
Trinidad में है. बरसात हो सकती है. आज सुबह हर्षा भोगले का ट्वीट देखा था. Although Google कह रहा है कि सनी है, हर्षा पे ट्रस्ट ज्यादा है क्योंकि हर्षा अभी वहाँ रूम के सामने से वो एकदम it's like Kerala, man. It is typical tropical weather.
On tense.
हाँ, match on 10 sports. Harsha Bhogle will be doing commentary. And आजकल Harsha Bhogle is asking you to play on Dream 11, जो बहुत अच्छी बात है. So we have to go with what he has put up, and we feel there could be some interruption. Regardless, pick more Indian players and 4 West Indies players. बस उससे आगे मत लेना आप.
Okay.
And India में top 3 ले लो, top 3 bowlers भी ले लो, आप सही सुखी रहोगे.
So budget problem नहीं है यहाँ.
Budget problem नहीं है. एक और बात बता दूँ, a good captain will be Bhuvneshwar Kumar.
बाप रे.
चलो अभी इससे ज्यादा नहीं बोल सकता अभी. अभी किसी ट्वीट का रिप्लाई नहीं दूंगा.
Yeah, let's move on to South Africa versus England versus South Africa, the second T20.
Yeah.
पहला T20 कब आया, कब गया, कितने बजे चालू हुआ?
No, it started late in the night. I saw South Africa batting. The way AB de Villiers was hitting, I just loved it. 2 shots that he played on the offside was for mine. It was the shot of the summer, English summer, no doubt about it. But South Africa lost. I expected them to lose. छोड़ो नहीं ज़्यादा बोलना है. बहुत खराब खेल रहा है. Let's talk about.
So even this article is up on our website, thefangarage.com. तो वहाँ पे आप देख लीजिए. But still, I'll go ahead and talk about the playing 11. Playing 11 नहीं, fantasy 11.
Playing 11 की भी बात कर लो. बता दो कि कौन खेल सकता है. नहीं.
मार्क वुड को निकाल दिया.
मार्क वुड तो नहीं है. He played only 1 T20 and उसको भेज दिया अभी.
Okay.
हाँ.
So we go ahead with Josh Butler as our keeper. Who is this? F क्या होता है? Baradin?
Farhan Baradin.
Yeah. Okay. Then we have Johnny Bairstow, AB de Villiers, Alex Hales, David Miller.
Yes.
In all-rounder we have Chris Morris.
Yes, he's returning. AB de Villiers ने बोल दिया कि खेलेगा क्योंकि हमको सीरीज जीतना है.
Liam Dawson.
अच्छे प्लेयर्स के विदाउट सीरीज नहीं जीत सकते.
तो Pretorius क्यों नहीं है?
Pretorius आ सकता है तो पार्नल की जगह खतरे में. Not Morris, no, obviously.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Then in Liam Dawson है from England side, and in bowling we have Plunkett. Plunkett is back.
Plunkett is back. Yes.
Philakwayo and David Willey.
David Willey. Yes.
David Willey खेल गया यार last time.
Yeah, I mean it was a surprise selection, but he did very well.
मैं last T20 खेला और मेरे ग्रुप में जो जीता was playing 4 shot.
There you go. हम जो कह रहे हैं उसका opposite करो आप जीत जाओगे. Man, I cannot understand this. This is how T20 works, I guess.
Yeah, seriously.
Yes, so expect some changes. England have 4 new players. They are going to play the other 2, highly likely. Now, before you tweet out to us, ask us questions, Alex Hales. So, कहीं पे तो report आया था, Alex Hales could be benched because he has been playing non-stop. Started with Ireland ODIs, South Africa ODIs, Champions Trophy and the first T20. अब लोग बोलेंगे आपने एलेक्स हेल्स क्यों लिया. अगर ये 50-50 स्पेकुलेशन पे हम जाते हैं और उसे छोड़ देते हैं और वो फटका मार देता है तो आप हमें फटका मारोगे, बरोबर. तो वी डोंट हैव टू टेक सच चांसेस. इमरान ताहिर, लाइक आई सेड, वी पिक्ड हिम. अभी ही डिडंट पिक अ विकेट. दैट्स वेरी वेरी रेयर. वी गो विथ Alex Hales. I don't want to drop him. Johnny Bairstow is there. Josh Butler is there. Josh Butler, by the way, is playing at his home venue. And I just get a feeling he could be promoted up the order. It's as simple as that. Regardless, you have to pick Butler ahead of Mozele. So that's a very straightforward logic.
Okay. स्मार्ट्स को तो तुमने ऑब्वियसली बिठा दिया.
हाँ यार, डर लगता है. देखो स्मार्ट्स, हेंड्रिक्स, ये लोग सब प्रूवन कस्टमर्स नहीं है. Reza Hendricks.
He's a decent guy.
Yeah, they're all okay, but you know, Ramslam material, they have not done well. on the international front. So I'm a little scared. South Africa don't have too many options. I still feel they will open with these two. But England have a classy bowling attack. Suddenly you don't want to be 2 for 2 like they were in the first one day. And if you have both of them, when we did that, and you are always on the back foot. Yes, they could go out there and get a 20-30. Doesn't matter, man. I will always go by fair analysis. It's okay. I don't have to pick them because I already have AB, Fahan and Miller. So that is 3, 4, 5. So the meat of South Africa batting is there. And हमने cover कर दिया.
और वही rescue कर रहे हैं.
वही rescue कर रहा है, yes.
AB de Villiers as captain.
Yeah, no hesitation because who else, Nikhil? Who else? I mean, just if you genuinely have any other options, please tell me. Just look at the team. And first of all, there is so much doubt who will play, who will not play. So where do we go? Whom do we pick?
Bairstow is in good touch.
Okay, so Bairstow as a captain?
Maybe a vice captain.
My goodness. And whom should we omit then?
Alex Hales.
Okay, so it's a decent call. मैं argue तो नहीं कर सकता इस पे. If Bairstow gets promoted, if he bats number 3, decent vice captain. But अगर number 6 पे batting किया तो...
अच्छा, tell me one thing.
Which is his original position.
Plunkett will open the bowling or Willie will open the bowling? Who will open?
Willie will open with Chris Jordan.
Okay. तो पहले 2 विकेट तो फिर विली को मिल जाएगा पहले.
विली को मिलने का चांसेस ज्यादा है. Yes. Jordan को भी चांस. Yeah, it's a good debate, good question. Yeah, Bairstow. Should we change to Bairstow? No, Alex Hales is fine.
Alex Hales is fine.
Okay.
Alex Hales, he's been consistent.
Of course, very consistent.
और वो जो statement था कि सबको चांस मिलेगा. By Owen Morgan, तो
be very careful, guys.
In fact, सब खेल लिए थे. बटलर खेला, बिलिंग्स खेला, बेस्टो खेला.
सब लोग खेला था. Yes. ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि आज जेसन रॉय उड़ जावे और सैम बिलिंग्स could open.
Yeah.
You just don't know, man. So.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So guys, both the articles.
Our advice would be if you want to play big, play India West Indies. Don't take too many chances in this second T20.
Yeah.
Yes. Test matches आ रहा है. That is serious cricket.
One day है ना.
वनडे नहीं है, हार गया ना साउथ अफ्रीका 2-1.
अच्छा ओके, इसकी बात कर रहे हो. ओके, आई थॉट अबाउट इंडिया. ओके गाइस, both the teams are up on our website thefangarage.com. अगर कोई डाउट्स है तो on Twitter TFG Fantasy 11 and on Facebook as Fantasy Pundit. You can listen to this podcast on Indusworks Media, SoundCloud, Audioboom, iTunes and YouTube. Subscribe, share, like and comment. Till then, take care. Bye bye.
एक्सक्यूज मी भैया, एक्सक्यूज मी.
बोलिए मैडम.
मेन्यू में क्या है?
मेन्यू में सीन अनसीन है, पॉडकास्ट है, ऑन कोर्स है, साइरस है, मेड इन इंडिया, रीडिस्कवरी प्रोजेक्ट, एम्पावरिंग सीरीज, सेक्स वैक्स है, IVM लाइक्स है, सिंप्लीफाइड है, कीपिंग इट क्वियर है, टिंग्स एंड डेस्टिनेशंस है, माय नेबर जकरबर्ग है और द फैन गराज है. आपको क्या चाहिए?
एक बार रिपीट कर देंगे क्या?
रिपीट नहीं करता हम. आप जाओ IVMpodcast.com पे और सुनो ये सब, या फिर डाउनलोड करो उनका ऐप. सब आपकी उंगलियों पे.